PDC NIP for this operation. So far, after the event on Saturday, everything shifted into New Island Motors. And that is why we are here now. And once again, we like to thank you to people of New Island, Governor, Provincial Administration, supporting me this time. We are now in the recovery process, meaning that we need to go out and fully find him body long and plan it long to him and bring him back home. At the same time, we are being supported by Manalos Aviation, only lift him up or body weight up, but any other program that arises, we will advise through PDC New Island. So that is our stand at the moment. So far, the operation here was quite good. We appreciate the effort of PDC here and all volunteers, especially all volunteers that gave the time, this time. We've got body bags down at the hang up along Manalos Aviation that will be moved over. A couple of technical guys will be arriving hopefully this afternoon if Manalos goes back and come. The problem is come back na paglago test of New Island partner in Yuplalo here with the recovery exercise. Thank you too much.